Looking for a budget-friendly hotel in Myeongdong, Seoul, South Korea? We got you.
Morning!
Nagstay kami sa The Stay Hotel Myeongdong and here's our honest experience. Ang ganda ng location, as in paglabas ng hotel, nandun na lahat. Mga restaurants, shopping streets, walking distance lang din to sa Myeongdong Cathedral and subway station. Plus points talaga to, especially we are traveling
Say
weekdays.
hello!
From Incheon Airport, we booked a limousine bus na drop off sa Myeongdong. Pagbaba namin, like 3 minutes walk lang nasa hotel na kami. Check-in time is 3 p.m. Since morning arrival kami, iniwan muna namin yung mga luggage. Nakabalik kami around
Good
8:30
nowhere.
p.m. na. At ang laki namin kasi may guest na nagbigay ng food since nagkamali daw sila ng order. Also, the staff gave us 2 drinks kasi we were the last one to check in daw. And upgrade din kami for free to triple room. Kaya ang saya, ang lawak ng room namin. So now, tara room tour tayo. Since triple room to, meron kaming 3 single beds na pinagtabi-tabi namin. And malawak talaga for us. Pag open ng window, kitang-kita na agad yung Ensol Tower at tapat din namin ang pinakamalaking Daiso sa South Korea. Meron ding television, working desk, fridge, cabinet, safety vault, bathrobe, and as we expected, maliit lang yung bathroom. And walang bidet. Pero provided naman na yung shampoo and body wash. Maghapon naman kami sa labas kaya happy na kami na comfy yung bed namin dito.
Oh.
Price-wise, rooms here can go under 3,000 on regular days, which is okay na for its location. But we paid 6,000 plus per night since it was Christmas season. So rates were definitely higher during peak dates. Overall, hindi ito luxury stay but it's practical and convenient. Kung magstay ulit kami dito, yes, dahil okay na okay talaga yung location for us. So yun lang, follow for more family travels.